Camplux water heaters are popular for RV and camping use, but users sometimes encounter common issues. Let's troubleshoot the most frequent problems and their solutions. The most common issue is ignition failure due to insufficient water pressure. Most Camplux models require at least 2.5 psi to ignite properly. Solution: check your water source pressure. Use a pressure gauge if available, or ensure your water pump is functioning properly. Low pressure is often the culprit when the heater won't start. Another frequent cause of ignition problems is a loose or improperly connected gas line. Always check the connection to your propane cylinder. Solution: inspect all gas connections for tightness. Ensure the gas valve on your propane cylinder is fully open. Check for any visible damage to gas lines or fittings. Many Camplux models use batteries for ignition. Battery problems are another common cause of ignition failure. Solution: verify correct battery polarity and replace weak batteries. Clean the battery contacts if they appear corroded. Most models use standard D-cell batteries. Important safety reminder: Camplux water heaters should only be used outdoors or in well-ventilated areas to prevent dangerous carbon monoxide buildup. When experiencing issues with your Camplux water heater, start with these basic checks: water pressure, gas connections, and battery condition. These simple steps resolve most common problems. Regular maintenance is the key to keeping your Camplux water heater running safely and efficiently. Following a proper maintenance schedule prevents most common problems and extends your heater's lifespan. Clean your water filter monthly to maintain proper water flow and prevent sediment buildup. A clogged filter reduces efficiency and can cause ignition problems due to insufficient water pressure. Inspect gas connections regularly for leaks using soapy water. Apply the solution to all connections and look for bubbles, which indicate gas leaks. Never ignore gas leaks as they pose serious safety hazards. Flush your heater with descaling solution to remove sediment buildup and restore heating efficiency. This process removes mineral deposits that accumulate over time and can reduce performance. For water connection issues, verify that inlet and outlet lines are correctly connected. The incoming cold water should connect to the right side, and the outgoing hot water exits from the left side. Important safety notice: Camplux issued a recall in March 2024 for specific portable tankless water heater models due to potential gas connection leaks. If you own models AY132, BD158, BW211, B264, or B422, contact Camplux immediately for a free repair kit. By following these maintenance procedures and addressing issues promptly, you ensure your Camplux water heater operates safely and efficiently for years to come. Regular care prevents problems and protects your investment.